Surrender. What is surrender? Generally, surrender means you are weak, you are defeated, you give up. In a spiritual sense, surrender is something positive. Surrender means tuning in. Like a wave merges in the ocean and becomes ocean, that is surrender. By surrendering, you lose your lower self and attain higher self. You give up your personal ego and tune into supreme ego. You let go of all the boundaries and you expand. That is the meaning of surrender. We surrender to God or supreme consciousness. The word is used called Bhagavan, Bhagavan, the one who contains 6 divine qualities or Bhagas. These Bhagas are Aishwarya, Virya, Yasha, Sri, Jnana and Vairagya. Aishwarya means mastery of the universe. Virya means supreme energy. Yasha means fame. Fame doesn't mean, in normal sense, fame means the power that everyone is under the awe. Aishwarya, Virya, Sri means wealth, prosperity. Jnana or wisdom or knowledge. There is nothing more to know. And Vairagya means surrender, non-attachment. So divine Bhagavan has 5 basic qualities. Aishwarya, mastery or power. Virya means energy. Yasha means glory or fame. Sri means wealth. Aishwarya, Virya, Yasha, Sri. Jnana means spiritual knowledge. Having all this, God is not influenced by it. Human beings, when they get strength, beauty or knowledge, they become egotistic. They become slave to them. And one of these qualities is possible in human being, but it's very hard to find somebody who is the strongest, smartest and most beautiful. It's very rare. So God has 5 qualities and still beyond the quality that is called Bhagavan. Surrender means tuning in to supreme consciousness. So we expand our consciousness and we attain higher power. Whatever we think, that is what we become. If you think of a saint or person with virtue, you build up virtues in your life. If you dwell on a criminal, you get those criminal elements in your life. So when you worship God, you surrender to God, you are not giving up or you are not defeated, but you are attracting divine qualities in your life. This is the purpose of surrender. Surrender means bowing down. When you bow down, things come to you. Ego keeps our head up. Bowing down lowers the ego. Greeting is a gesture of surrender. Because both hands meet, that is karma yoga. That means all my activities are surrendering to God. Lowering the head, my intelligence or knowledge, I surrender to God. And touching the heart, I get devoted to God. This is what surrender means. One becomes lower. One comes to the kneeling position or one prostrates like a staff on the floor. These are the external gestures of surrender. True surrender is giving up the ego, Lord Krishna says, Pariprashnena pranipatena sevaya. Prashnena is asking questions about liberation, sincere question. Pranipatena, by surrendering, bowing down. Pranipatena, pariprashnena, asking question, and sevaya, by serving. So, serving guru, teacher or mentor. These are the three ways of surrendering. Serving means obeying their teaching, respecting their teaching and following that. So surrender is a higher quality. Most people are egotistic. They don't respect the teacher. They consider it is academic. I paid for my learning, so why should I respect my teacher? This way they lose. Why shouldn't we surrender to Supreme Lord? We surrender to bus driver we don't know. We surrender to a pilot who flies your plane. You surrender to a surgeon who does surgery on you. You surrender to doctor taking medicines. Why don't we surrender to Supreme God who gave us everything what we have? And because of our ego, we resist this surrender. Surrender gives the power. You surrender means you board the plane and let God fly you. Board the train and sleep. You will be taken there. Surrender means you perform your duty but give up the attachment to the fruits of your actions. Jai Bhagavan.